All right, this has cured enough. We're into the evening now. Whoops. So I'm gonna pull the tape off and flip-o-rama the board so I can do the bottom. Come on. There we go. All right. That garbage is gonna go in there. So let me get my brush off of there. Flip-o-rama. There we are. Oh, still got a little bit stuck here. Okay. Oh, almost forgot. Stick that in there. Okay. Hygiene, hygiene, hygiene. Clean first. Oh, I left the top off of this. Smart move. This stuff evaporates pretty quick, so you don't want to, well, not quick. It's not like you're gonna lose the bottle or anything, but as you can see, it's already evaporated. So, it's one. Now we're gonna put our tape on. So our tape is gonna basically go just below that edge right there. Perfecto. Okay. And now I'm going to mask off my edges for this fill coat. Here we are. It's good enough. Reposition our drip catch. Okay. Clean my brush. Where'd my brush go? There it is. So we'll get all the bristles and dust, well, most of it off of this. Okay. It's good. Let's mix up some resin. Stop the music. I don't want any copyright garbage from YouTube about that. Okay. So, tear. Again, probably 16 to 20, 15 to 20 grams. Oh, I forgot to clean the second time as well. So let me get this up to 20. 19. 20. Okay. Whoa. Almost lost the board. Gotta be careful. It's getting late. That's why. Okay, this time put the lid back on there. Okay, clean, 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 clean. Perfect. Okay, 20, and so we're just gonna call it 10. Because 4.7 times 2 is 9.4. So I could call it 9 if I wanted to use proper scientific rounding. So why don't we? We'll say 9. If I can. Oh, so close. Come on. 9. There we are. Okay, set a timer for 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Hey Google, cancel timer. All right, same drill, except we're just doing a tiny bit here. Hopefully I got my catch. Oh yeah, that's in the right place, good. Okay. Move that back a bit. Okay. So I'm gonna go to one side, up, across the other side, pour again. And pull that off. Now it kind of looks like I got some dust in there. Let's see. No, that ain't moving. So let me do this again. There we go. Finished. Let's pour out my resin. Making my art here. I want to get some more color on that. Okay. Perfect. And there it is. So the next step is to sand this. We'll wait for it to cure. Then we're going to sand it, and then I'm going to do the finish coat.